Over the years as Nigerians, we've not been maximizing this make money online opportunity, which is called affiliate marketing. Either we are running from one corner to the other, trying to get VPN to cut corners to get accepted into these affiliate programs or network, or we are battling with payment systems. The two major problems we have enjoying affiliate marketing is that most of these affiliate networks don't accept Nigerians. And even when we find the one that accept Nigerians, oftentimes the payment system doesn't accept Nigerians. And this had actually put us trying to use VPN all the time to cut corners. And in doing this, we lose almost 100% peace of mind trying to do affiliate marketing. I am Francis Eze. Welcome to my channel where I talk about make money online and also on every other thing concerning digital marketing. Starting a business venture with affiliate marketing is actually a way to go. It's one of the easiest and the biggest way to make money online. And you can work from any part of the world. You can work from home, be your own boss, and enjoy a very good life doing this. And it also comes with high level of flexibility. Actually, affiliate marketing is one of the ways most of the bloggers, webmasters, and content creators make lots and lots of money and revenue. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you 9 affiliate programs that actually support Nigerians. So you can actually hop into these programs either as a Nigerian or as anyone living in Nigeria. And these programs actually give you 100% peace of mind. You don't have to start cutting corners trying to look for the latest VPN and all that, or get worried about the payment system, because most of these affiliate networks pay right into your bank account. Even the ones that don't pay Naira into your bank account actually supports a payment system which every Nigerian has access to, which is Payoneer and some other payment system. So in this video, like I said earlier, you are getting amazing affiliate programs which is going to give you that peace of mind and actually going to make you make as much money as you want at any point in time, be your own boss and all that, and enjoy your life. Okay, so come with me, let's go. The first one is Jumia affiliate program. As you already know, Jumia is a popular online marketplace and its popularity keeps increasing every passing day. Though Jumia commissions, affiliate commissions could actually be very low, but that shouldn't be your concern because you get to make returning sales and also you get recurring commissions. Okay, so all you just have to do is to focus on the traffic and focus on your niche and focus on your audience, keep serving them products and campaigns which interest them, and you keep getting massive sales coming in, and that way you keep getting lots and lots of commissions. So who is qualified to do Jumia affiliate program? Anybody. As a beginner, you can actually partake. As a micro influencer, you can actually partake. As a macro or mega influencer, you can actually partake. And also as an experienced affiliate marketer, you can actually partake. It doesn't segregate. So all you just have to do is take these simple steps. Very easy. Sign up, wait for them to approve your request. Once your request is approved, then start promoting their campaigns and start making sales. The moment you make any sale through the affiliate links, you get your commission sent into your bank account. Okay, and then also most important thing is you have to go through the guidelines. When you get to the frequently asked questions section on the affiliate program page, you are going to see or get a detailed PDF whereby you get to see the guidelines on how you can get any of this affiliate program. Make sure that you follow through with their do's and their don'ts, that's their rules, because the moment you go against their rule, you get your sign up terminated, or you get your affiliate contract terminated, and that way you lose money, and in most cases you may not get the opportunity to sign up with them or register with them again. So having said that, Jumia affiliate program is actually a wonderful one because you get to make lots and lots of sales because they have varieties of products and services which can interest your audience and your traffic also. So the next one is ClickFunnels affiliate program. Funnel actually is a US-based software company Okay, this software actually helps businesses and individuals to create high-end sales system or sales funnels. This software actually provides landing page templates, email marketing formats, and also autoresponders actually grow any progressive-minded business. And one good thing about ClickFunnels affiliate program is that their software is of high public interest. Every business out there, every individuals out there who can afford ClickFunnels actually want to have it and get it because it's a wonderful sales system. Okay, and one other good thing about sales ClickFunnels affiliate program is that they pay you very high commission. They pay as much as 20 to 40% on every sale you make. That sounds absolutely wonderful. And that's not just it. There are some offers that in which if you're able to make sales, you get as high as $100 paid to you for that particular sale. Then also, ClickFunnels, like I said earlier, is a software company, and this software goes on subscription. And when if you're able to get an individual or a business who gets this software, every passing month, once they renew their subscription, you get your commission paid to you without hitches. So ClickFunnels affiliate program is a wonderful one anybody can do, even as a Nigerian. That's not all. Another amazing feature about ClickFunnels affiliate program is that they put you through a training. The moment you sign up and you get approved, they put you through what they call affiliate bootcamp training. In this training, they give you all the resources and all the support that you need to excel as their affiliate marketer. Is that not wonderful? That's absolutely great. So ClickFunnels affiliate program is awesome. Don't sleep on this one. Go get onto their website, sign up, wait for their approval. Once you get approved, then go through the bootcamp training, and after that, start crushing it and start making as much sales as possible and start getting those mouth-watering commissions from ClickFunnels. Then let's hop into the next one, which is PayPort affiliate program. As you already know, PayPort is a popular retail shop or marketplace, just like Jumia in Nigeria, and they have a whole wide range of products. And also, PayPort affiliate program is actually awesome and wonderful. All you just have to do is, as usual, sign up, get approved, then select any of the advertorials or promotional materials and start promoting any product that you want. Though I will suggest you I will advise you rather, in affiliate marketing, make sure you focus on a particular niche, because you wouldn't want a situation whereby today you are selling footwears or you're selling baby foods, then all of a sudden the next day you are selling, let's say, weight loss programs or weight loss tea. You are going to confuse your audience, and that way you have drop in sales. So I would suggest focus on a particular niche. If you want to go on health and wellness, then you can do your weight loss tea, weight loss belt, and every other thing that has to go on that niche. Then if you are focusing on fashion apparels, then you can go on any kind of wears, and that way you get returning customers who make returning purchases, and that way you get recurring commissions over and over again. Okay, so having said that, let's move into the next one, which is another amazing affiliate program that accepts Nigerians. They don't need VPN and is hassle free, and that program is Fiverr Athlete program. Fiverr is one of the leading, if not the leading, online marketplace where you get all kinds of digital services being rendered. On Fiverr, you find freelancers who render all forms of services, ranging from software development, logo design, web application development, content creation, video editing, just name it. Anything you want to be done for you is right there on Fiverr. You have someone that is readily available to get that job done. But one good thing with Fiverr Affiliate program is that Fiverr actually allows you to choose your commission, though there is a little bit clause on this, in the sense that the commission you get actually depends on the service you were able to refer someone to purchase on Fiverr. There are some high-end and high-tech and premium services on Fiverr, of which if you're able to get someone to purchase these services, automatically you can get a commission as high as $1,000. Let's say, for instance, I was on Fiverr between 2017 to 2018 or 2019 actually, and I was able to see high-end freelancers who do a particular job for as high as $5,000 or $10,000. As a matter of fact, I've seen one that was done as high as $15,000 a single job, though it was web app development. So imagine a situation whereby you get someone to purchase this service on Fiverr. You know how much you're going to make, even if your commission percentage is just 15% or 10%. On $5,000, that's a whole lot of $500. On $10,000, that's a whole lot of $1,000 for 10% commission. But meanwhile, let me not raise your hopes high. Focus on what is actually easily achievable, okay? But another good thing about Fiverr Affiliate program is that they give you a wide range of commission percentage. You can earn as much as between 15 to 50% commission per single conversion. And also there are various special offers in which you can earn as much as, let's say, $15 to $150 per conversion. In Fiverr Affiliate program, there are so many options, there are so many offers. So no matter how bad you are with affiliate marketing, you can actually get hold of something you can market to your audience, or you can drive traffic to on Fiverr and make sales and earn your commissions. Okay, so Fiverr is actually a wonderful, no matter how bad you are, you can actually earn a good commission through Fiverr Affiliate program. And just as usual, simply sign up, wait for the approval. The moment you get approved and you get your affiliate link, start promoting, start advertising, and start referring persons or businesses that need several services to Fiverr. And once you're able to make any sale, you start enjoying your mouth-watering commissions. Okay, so without taking much of your time, let's hop on to the next one, which is Impact Affiliate Program. If you're still on this video, that means you're getting lots and lots of values. Okay, and I would indulge you to like this video, click that red subscribe button, also tiny red bell notification icon, so that whenever I drop hot content like this on Make Money Online and everything about digital marketing, you will be among the first to be notified. And also by doing this, by liking this video and clicking the subscribe button, you also help YouTube algorithm serve this video to many persons like you and I who need this information. Impact Affiliate Network. Impact is actually a partnership relationship management software. What do Impact actually do? It brings together thousands of top brands and affiliate marketers. Okay, so Impact is just like a platform where affiliate marketers meet top brands such as Adidas, Uber, Airbnb, Canva, and a whole lot of them. This may sound a little bit technical, but Impact could be one of the most difficult affiliate programs out there, but it's not as if it's extremely difficult. But once you're able to meet their criteria and you get selected by any of these top brands to advertise and market their products, you're actually making heavy commissions, because these top brands have quality products to give out, and also aside that, they pay huge and high commissions. Actually, in Impact, you can apply for programs which will connect you to this top brand, and when this top brand assesses your request and feels like or considers you eligible to market their products, you get selected. And the moment you get selected, they give you their affiliate link, which you put out there as a content creator or as an affiliate marketer or as a publisher. And any sales you're able to make through this link, you get your amazing and awesome commission. The good thing about Impact, unlike other affiliate programs, is that other affiliate programs is just a one-directional, you're working with just a particular brand. But in Impact, you have the opportunity to work with thousands of top brands. So if you're able to beat that high standard or high request of top brands, if you're able to build your profile or portfolio to get to that level whereby you are easily selected by these top brands, there are chances that you could be working with 50, 100 of top brands promoting their product right from impact. So you don't have to go to, let's say, top brand A, apply for the affiliate program, go to top brand B. No. Just right on impact, you get connected with these various or hundreds of top brands and start promoting their products and start making huge commissions. Like I said earlier, this is very easy to follow up. Sign up, build your profile on impact, then apply for affiliate programs from these top brands. And once you get selected, you start earning your huge commissions and start smiling to the bank on a daily. Okay, so having said that, and without taking much of your time, let's hop right next to the last one, but not the least. But actually, in this video, is the last on our list. An amazing affiliate platform, and it goes by the name S-Partner. Actually, S-Partner is an amazing affiliate platform which is being done and created by a Nigerian, by our very own person, Toyin Omotosho. One good thing about S-Partner is that it's actually user-friendly and easy to navigate, and they have mouth-watering commissions as high as from 25% to 70%. S-Partner is what I could call Nigerian ClickBank. It's an affiliate website where you get all sorts of digital products. And one good thing with S-Partner is that the digital products present on S-Partner is actually of high interest and public demand. Okay, those digital products they address serious and on-demand issues which most Nigerians have, something like traveling to Canada and a whole lot of that. So being on S-Partner affiliate program gives you that opportunity to easily advertise product that you know that people are already looking out for and have interest in getting. And like I said earlier, it's a very wonderful platform, high commission, easy to navigate, user friendly, and they pay every Friday unfailingly. So just know that every Friday you get your commissions sent into your bank account without problems. Okay, so, and as usual, all you just have to do is sign up, send your request, and wait for the approval. The moment you are approved, you get a notification, and you have range of affiliate links present. You can choose from and advertise or promote or market any of the digital products right there on S-Partner. Okay, so this one is actually a very sweet one, and I have friends making hundreds of thousands of naira every week from S-Partner. Okay, other affiliate programs that are also good for Nigerians without the payment method problems or the VPN headaches are Amazon Associates, Warrior Plus affiliate program, and Waka Now affiliate program. Okay, so those other ones you can check it out yourself, and they're actually amazing and good for Nigerians. So now you have a whole lot of 9 wonderful affiliate programs you can actually get registered with and start making money online. However, you cannot join all the affiliate programs at a time. So I rather suggest to you, pick the one that best suits you, or the one that you like so much, maybe due to your niche or maybe due to personal interest. Choose any of the networks or affiliate program that is okay for you and start with one first. Then the moment you start gaining traction and start gaining ground, you can try out other ones. Okay, so thank you for staying on this video up to this moment, and